In our connected world, security isn't optional, it's survival. System security refers to the measures and controls we implement to protect information from unauthorized access, modification, or destruction. Let's look at the cornerstone of all security systems, the CIA Triad. The C in the Triad stands for confidentiality. This ensures that sensitive data is accessible only to authorized users. For example, when a company encrypts your credit card numbers in their database, a hacker who breaks in still won't be able to read it without the decryption key. The I stands for integrity. This protects your data from being altered or corrupted during storage, transmission, or processing. Think of digital signatures on a critical email or contract. It proves to the recipient that the message has not been modified since it was sent. The A stands for availability. Systems and data must be accessible and usable whenever authorized users need them. To achieve this, organizations deploy redundant servers, so if one server crashes, another takes over instantly, with zero interruption. How do we enforce these three pillars? Through robust security policies and best practices. First, data protection policies dictate clear guidelines for handling and transmitting sensitive records. Second, regular security audits thoroughly search networks to fix structural bugs before hackers find them. Third, employee training educates users to prevent human errors like phishing scams. And fourth, incident response planning guarantees a fast, clear blueprint to minimize damage if an attack does occur. By balancing confidentiality, integrity, and availability, developers construct systems that keep our modern digital economy running safe. How secure are your personal systems? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more technical deep dives.